you've invested in our stabilized existing acquisitions that generate cash flow relatively quickly upon acquisition, and then you've also invested in our development projects, which take a little while to ramp up and develop cash flow and all of those things. When you're advising clients in either piece, what's your general advice to your clients?
So first it comes, we have to put our client hat on and say, where's this client coming from? The ones that are existing apartment buildings that already have tenants, when you buy them, there's immediate cash flow. The second kind, where you're building the building, development, it's going to be a while because you have to raise the money, secure the land, build the building, and then get it rented up, right? And then you have to actually get the stable cash flow. So that could take 2 to 3 years. Not everybody wants to wait 2 to 3 years. But I call it a little bit more entrepreneurial to say, let's be the development kind. So clients like a mix of both. At first we started off with the development ones because we were buying at good prices. And when the rates came down, it exploded the price of buildings up, and we made 50 to 100% on some of our buildings in a short time. So everybody's excited about that. But as it stands today, those prices, if you go out and try to buy buildings, it's pretty expensive. So you advise that, well, we can develop buildings at a better price, and then once you get tenants in there, it's no longer based on how much you invested in the building. That's what the value is based on. It's based on cash flows, and all of a sudden you have a pop in value there. So just recently it's been more development ones, but it's nice to have a mix. So, and the other thing you learn is that if you have a portfolio, 5, 6, 10 apartment buildings, it's nice to have a couple of them that are always in developing, that they're going to pop out that pipeline later, because your other buildings are getting older too. So you want a kind of a mix of both, but it depends on each client how we mix that.
Got it. Thank you very much for your time. We appreciate your help with all of this and your good advice as always.
Thanks, Bob.